This is where the adjustment is for your parking brake. As you can see, it's still got the original markings on it and it hasn't been moved. So if you kind of pry this spring out of the way, that holds it in a notch for this gear. And then I'm just going to make a couple rotations. And then we will fit the rotor back on and give it a try. So now, if we put this rotor back on, still slides on easy. And when you rotate it around, you can slightly hear rubbing, but there's no resistance at all. This gets it closer so it's ready to engage when you pull it up. Actually, I can probably go a little bit more. Well guys, that's gonna do it for today. And it's not pulling the brake up as high as it did before. So that's a plus. Like the video, subscribe.